Meta's Threads app has sparked a heated rivalry between the tech giant and Twitter. Threads is a Twitter clone that is designed to lure users who are unhappy with the changes that Elon Musk has made to the platform. In its first 5 days, Threads has earned 100 million users. However, Threads' initial popularity has quickly faded. Engagement on the platform has dropped significantly within the first week. There are a number of possible reasons for this, including the absence of essential features that set Twitter apart, such as a chronological timeline and limited search capabilities. In addition, some users have expressed concerns about Meta's potential impact on free speech and privacy. With Meta's track record on these issues, regulators and users alike worry about the implications of this growing tech monopoly. The launch of Threads is a significant development in the battle for online communication. It remains to be seen whether the app will be able to sustain its initial momentum and challenge Twitter's dominance. However, one thing is for sure, the rivalry between Meta and Twitter is only just beginning. So let's begin the video. Chapter 1. Threads' disappointing start. In its first 5 days, Threads reached 100 million users. This was a significant achievement, but it was not enough to sustain the app's momentum. Engagement on Threads quickly dropped, and many users abandoned the platform. There are a number of possible reasons for Threads' disappointing start. One reason is that the app lacks essential features that set Twitter apart. For example, Threads does not have a chronological timeline, which is a key feature for many Twitter users. Additionally, Threads' search capabilities are limited. This makes it difficult for users to find the content they are looking for. Another reason for Threads' disappointing start is that the app is not very user-friendly. This makes it difficult for users to find the content they are looking for and to interact with other users. Chapter 2. Threads versus Twitter, a battle of features. Threads may have gained momentum, but it still lacks essential features that set Twitter apart. From the absence of a chronological timeline to limited search capabilities, Threads faces challenges in offering a unique user experience. One of the most significant differences between Threads and Twitter is the timeline. Threads uses a reverse chronological timeline, which means that the most recent posts are displayed at the top of the feed. This is in contrast to Twitter's traditional chronological timeline, which displays posts in the order in which they were published. The reverse chronological timeline is a controversial feature. Some users prefer it because it allows them to see the most recent posts first.
Meta's launch of Threads to compete with Twitter is just one aspect of its grand plan to dominate online communication and establish a tech monopoly. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on the world's most interesting people and stories.